Welcome to our quick guide on how to disable GIF comments on Instagram. If you've noticed GIFs popping up in comments and want a cleaner, calmer conversations under your posts, this step-by-step walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn them off. First, open the Instagram app on your device. When you are in, head to your profile by tapping the image of a person at the bottom right corner. This is where you manage your own posts, interactions, and settings. Next, look to the top right of your screen and tap the three-line menu icon. This opens a menu with several options that control various parts of your account. From here, scroll down until you find the comments option. It's usually labeled clearly so you can't miss it. Tap on comments to enter the comment controls. Inside this section, you'll see different toggles and settings that govern how people interact with your posts. You're looking for the option that controls GIF comments specifically. It may be described as allow GIF comments or a similar phrasing depending on your app version. Now, simply toggle the GIF comment setting off. When the switch slides to the off position, GIF comments will no longer appear under your posts and you'll notice a calmer, more focused commenting environment. If you ever want to revert this change, just return to the same path and toggle GIF comments back on. If you're managing a business account or a creator profile, the layout might look a bit different, but the core steps remain the same. Access your profile, open the menu, go to comments, and switch off GIF comments. It's a lightweight adjustment that can make a big difference in how you engage with your audience. That's all there is to it. With GIF comments disabled, you'll be better positioned to curate thoughtful conversations and keep discussions on topic. If you found this helpful, consider bookmarking the steps for easy access in the future, or share this quick guide with friends who might want a cleaner comment section as well.